glisten and children listen.
Oh, the Elvis Presley way na nilalaro niya yung notes and it was so good. What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're back for another reaction video for Jerome Ebardome para sa kanyang performance ng I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas. Yes, it's Christmas time, guys. Merry, Merry Christmas and a mega love shoutout sa lahat ng ating mga ka-Jeromantics all over the world. Yes, o diba? Bongga yung pag Merry Christmas natin. And of course, kung bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here, let's go. Oh, mukhang Elvis na Elvis to ah. Iba yung vibe. Ay, fresh from his concert.
Dreaming of a white Christmas.
Oh my God, that is so lambing. Alam mo yung na-feel mo talaga na you're dreaming of a white Christmas.
Just like the ones I used to know.
Ooh, look at Ryan and Wally. Talaga naman. Nabilib sila doon, guys. Balik na.
Just like the ones I used to know.
Grabe yun. The switching.
Where the treetop glisten and children listen.
Oh, that is so good. I love it. Gusto ko yun yung parang bumababa ng hagdanan na notes.
Where the treetop glisten
Diba?
and
Tapos bababa.
children listen
Parang bumababa lang ng hagdan, guys.
to hear sleigh bells in the snow.
Parang itong jacket na ito yung suot niya sa concert niya, guys, ha? Oo. Mahilig siya sa leather jacket.
Dreaming of a white Christmas.
Iba yung hagod, iba yung atake.
With every Christmas card
Oh, the switching, the escalation, and the vocal technique is on point.
may your days, may your days, may your days be merry and bright.
Oh my God, that is so good. Ngayon ko lang napanood si Jerome kumanta ng ganito in Elvis Presley way na nilalaro niya yung notes and it was so good. Diba? Pati yung mga Dabber Cats talaga napapanood.
Days be merry and bright, and they are your Christmases.
Amazing! Oh my God! There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome singing I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas, the Elvis Presley way na nilaro-laro lahat ng notes, you know, from escalation, bumaba ng hagdan, and the low tone was so good. Grabe, napakabuo nung low tone. The way that he's playing, the technique, the vocal technique, grabe, napabilib niya din pati yung mga Dabber Cats na host. Guys, nakita yung reaction ni Wally, ni Ryan, and even Joey and Vic. Diba parang, anong nangyayari? How is he doing it? It's because of his artistry and musicality. Sobrang galing. Hands up, hands down, sobrang galing na Jerome dito sa ano na to. Sa feel na feel mo talaga yung lambing, you're dreaming of a white Christmas. So, sobrang ganda. What about you guys? Do we have the same reaction? You can comment down below at pag-usapan natin yan. And of course, if you have any other requests, you can always comment down below and we will check that out for you. Once again, thank you so much for supporting our reaction video for Jerome Ibardomen. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po lahat ng inyong mga comments and kind words. And of course, maraming salamat and Merry Christmas mga ka-Jeromantics all over the world. And and of course, kung nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating reaction, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Merry Christmas once again, guys. Bye for now.